kuruko soko nyora marwe itogutumia amarioga kawaida aitogotera tukurugana conventional medicine tuatumia mariogo akurua sendagira munabono vitamins ama fatty acids na ndito mwenye gutumia amariogo akurukunga herbal medicine no tole enyumba ya Uhuru Plaza Gabo Songo goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A and ntubwate branch mu Eldoret enyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2 na ntubwate branch ndumuchi Okaratina opposite Absa Bank.
Worldfit Health Center. We are different, best because we have knowledge on how to treat using both ways.
Je, unawapendwa walio nje ya nchi na wangependa kukuzawadi kwa kukutumia hela? Pata hela mara moja kwenye simu yako kwa kuwashauri kutuma kupitia tap send, ambapo watapata $20 wanapotuma zaidi ya $50 kwa mara ya kwanza kupitia tap send wakitumia promo code Ndizi TV. Download tap send kutoka Google Play au App Store. Tap send. Send more, spend less.
Ndizi TV. Ubwansu Gusii.
Wirire mwancho murigerere begetasene Ndizi TV ninde no kwigena ngambi yogendrete asibono charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabono marago bachinga kingo kumanya amangana Amayia asenchera yobenge eretariane Dorcas Kemuma nani gotoko chikubwatira na nere Lydia Mose oyo kumanya wetira asenchera yemanyere nere Petra Mokeira kwena kingamalo gine chibicha agwikire asenchera yobwikirano ngokunyoria nabogo tubwatia wetira asenchera yemetandao asensemo ya Facebook tunyabuna Ndizi TV News Digital waikagari YouTube tubwatie buna Ndizi TV News na boigo ase website yetu tunyabuna www.ndizitv.net. Na kuhariganirie herio tumanye na nalia yega abire kawatika oboibi which transformer meyoro gongorwa Gusii ni gorogendete koira emere ayani gachire maiga ye ekinyoro kia nyabogatani ewodi ya nyakoe asebono babukano muichano mono maiga ye transformer yabo koibwa eyo neyemo yabo aseba ose ya matiyo ose ekinyorekyo nigobono abamenyi bense meyo babere bakwe murunganiria egekorekyo asebono Tebrina nigo ebinto ebinge byabaire bigoteraniwa anene asensemo yechisemi naboigo obonchiria nigo bono bagikeire egekorekyo asebaganirie eserikali kwene kingankwe Mokeira obari egetambukiro abari barachikubwateraniwa n'obwibi obwo
Tanga twatigaire getirianda abana baito makore prepsi ga kito gikeria gakoreki eprofome yakonya nige konyete abana baito makora bari props morning and evening ngokora bari preps gente kentu anakora na ndu siara na banta batulifu in fact nonye na serikali nema itenga gento kebenki ana okore kana siara gai na ibwe sitore ekiara toko urwe proforma abantu bari metijita ya chinyene mbabwate ganga ntu na batokota kosebana no orinyo bakari mitita ya chinyene bacha kutoure proforma no bari sina kene ngabatoire ne transforma yeito abana baito basame enda magenda reita kore maki
hono iga nigo twakumiri sana gutukugo kierarera kera twachukoka twanyore transforma ira ngene school ya St. Matthias Ciara primary iga eibire n'abantu batamanyikaniti oyo mo asaba kore biasara ga ige bike
Iromo chando tuwa liko chakera boni go manene. Igo nabo kamambia nkogende shughuli ya chuakali nkonyore transformer konyore gotokonya lakini skuru ite ya siara igetago ire ekaigorwa ekero twarigiringa goikebe no muntu chiete skuru ya pabo gosomere gori transformer na chikoigoro ekitu
togotigana nayo na guska gocha motwe ni gomorai winse Dr. William Ruto agendrete na etaro yaya asense ya US etaro yaya ya matuko ane sebono aringe ise Chinsa mocha Atlanta imeyense meyo ya US asinga kechoni go Ruto atwanirete igoro yengana yogosira abasaye amona basubati imeyense to ya Kenya asatebete ndachinga kechiga ale asuburai iganga yae no kwenekinga osukiri motwe abasubati ase okubasira sense moye chisemi na baigo ase amagendero yoborai.
We therefore have a common foundation to empower our youthful population with skills in STEM, with particular emphasis on developing a robust capacity to engage with the global digital technology sector on a much and such advanced and emerging technologies as artificial intelligence, robotics, and data science. In my proposal, I am concerned about the persistent underrepresentation of women in STEM, posing a grave challenge to inclusive development in other sectors. Despite evident progress, Kenya faces a significant gender gap in STEM at all levels, from education to the workforce. Our partnership must therefore be intentional about promoting women's participation in STEM. The STEM mentorship program, implemented by UNESCO in collaboration with the government of Kenya and benefiting 2,000 young women, serves as a model that underscores the power of partnership. We are determined to leverage the Kenya-US partnership to empower and inspire greater female participation and leadership in STEM. In my midst, just to demonstrate, I have come with many women in my leadership, in my administration. And in our, I want to ask the women governors who are here, the women governors who are here, those three ladies are some of our foremost great leaders in Kenya, demonstrating the power of women leadership. Thank you very much.
Ensi ya Kenya nigo bono yabikirese yechibesa chishilingi chibilioni emerongevere na ibere ne chinduguta isano neseto as ne company ye jisoda ya Coca-Cola sebono Kenya erachi kubwatana ne company yo asegeka kemyaka etano ere motwe asomora yibwense chinga kyatarete company yo imeyense ya US asatebetone company ya Coca-Cola nigo yabeire egatiye chi company chirchabere chikokora buya ase enseto ya Kenya asebono babere bakubwatirana asensemo ye biashara asebono barachi kogenderera kubwatirana.
Company's strong support for Project Last Mile, which facilitated COVID-19 response and vaccine distribution in remote African areas, leveraging its supply chain, logistics, and marketing capabilities. Who knew, for example, that the distribution of soft drink would one day become a health logistics facility? In April, during AMCHAN Kenya's summit, I met with Coca-Cola Africa's leadership, led by Ms. Louise Ortega. This provided me with the opportunity to acknowledge the company's role and assure its leadership of the government's commitment to policy stability and predictability to foster investment and also assist in their growth. I take this opportunity, therefore, to particularly welcome Coca-Cola's substantial investment of US $175 million over the next 5 years to expand its Kenyan operations. Coca-Cola has been a prominent corporate citizen of our country and Africa, growing as a brand and manufacturing giant while serving as a partner in employment creation, economic development, and emergency response. Our partnership has allowed us to grow together. Today, we must sustain our engagement and collaboration to enable us face the challenges and seize opportunities of the future together.
Omokonye bomorai bwense Rigathi Gachagua nigo bono ate rumnense ya Kenya nigo erachi kogendera kubeka emirobiro yokweneke buna ngokora bale omochando bobotumiki ebwechinguru chimbe chia omoro chibono chikorwa aguse chikobwatoka amalioki amabe gocha ase ensemo ya seto ya Kenya ase bono ate rumna nigo barachi kwenekinga nkobeka bale obotumiki ebwechinguru chiomorero chinchenu chibono rachi kogera enseto ya Kenya esukemotwe anena ase okulinda ebintu bitwetanene kaukwana chinga kialinge ase aikirana ase gikaro kia omwaka kia global energy ase setukuria rero Gachagua nigatano warachi kubwatirana amone Chinsa chinde elio kwana kinga ngosukia abale motwe osengukora abale omochando ogotumeki bwa marioki ogosibo gosokia amarioki amabe ayoboiga amanyakaine buna carbon emission ase seto ya Kenya sibarachi kubwatirana amone Chinsa chinde elio kwana kinga ngokora bale omochando yo aseboigo amenta gwatebona nigo omochando yo beirego korenta emechando anene aso gonchoreria kwerire asibone barachi kubwatirana likwene kinga ngokora bale omochando yo asensito ya Kenya amone Chinsa chinde.
This conference happens when Kenya is leading the world in the march towards 100% green, clean energy. Renewable energy accounts for almost 90% of our generation and consumption. To achieve net zero carbon emissions by the target year 2050, Kenya requires over $600 billion in investment. This calls for sustained joint rescue mobilization, partnership, and investment from local and international actors. Harnessing geothermal, wind and solar energy is a bridge from fossil fuel to fully renewable sustainable energy as per the COP28 commitment on zero carbon emissions. Distinguished delegates, going green and clean is not enough. We must establish and promote proficient and efficient energy systems in all sectors of our economy. States across the globe are working harder with partners on achieving SDGs by 2030, even as Africa remains focused on a transformed continent as underpinned by Agenda 2063. Such transformation rides on enormous energy. Meeting the growing demand during this decade does not always call for huge generation capacity expansion, but unlocking conservation and efficiency in consumption. We can only transform our world together when we make deliberate efforts of incorporating and doubling energy efficiency in every strand of development.
Serikali ni gobono yabaganirie abantu bali babagwa kwa no muchando bwetoigo ase chinsemo cha mayo kunganya korwa ase chikambi chiri bale ni gachire maiga ya serikali otebamna nigere bya abantu abo baru ase chinsemecho erinde banyale kwerigeria chinyumba acho kondisa ase chinsemo ase bono serikali era chikubwatoka obokonye bwechishiringi chibu isano kera omutinye unenchereye moyo kubakonya na wosira anene ase owakana chinyumba kulende nigo abamenya abo bono bemurunganire na gwatebuna nigo bataranyora ase bakogenda goikabonega.
Tumepafutio 2 weeks. Kila mtu ajipange anatafuta nyumba aoneshane ndio aenda lipiwe 3 months na upewe chakula na upewe 5,000 last tuondoke. Je, swali ni moja. Tunajiuliza aje tunaenda kiaje? Tunaenda wapi? tutafikisha wapi na hii maisha hii?
Shida ama swali ile mtu anajiuliza, kuanzia hapo maisha itakuwaje, na hatuambii kwamba ni mpaka lini ama hii mpango itapangika namna gani. Hizo ndizo wasiwasi tuko nazo.
Hadi time yenyewe wangetupea, hawakutupea hadi ya kutengeneza. Sasa tujue hadi leo tukienda tunaenda wapi? Juu kumejaa maji kwa nyumba, hatuwezi lala huko, kuna uoga.
Omwanjo murigeria aiga nongoikira omweri bwa mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi ko gwakira ng'ambu ya mono asogotengera egitasene kya Ndizi TV ereterane Dorcas Kemuma na nigoto bwaterana nere Lydia Mose oyore okumanya wetera asenchera yimenyererio nere Petra Mokeira wene kingama ryogene chibicha awikire asenchera ayo bwikirano twara oburigeria obuya ime Ndizi TV nabo bwanso bomugusi.